और ये एक कोविड का जो टाइम है, जो कोविड का टाइम है उसमें लोगों के पास टाइम निकालना भी आसान नहीं है, क्योंकि बहुत सारी चीजें हो रही हैं आगे पीछे।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
मेरी आवाज आ रही है क्या ठीक से? कैन यू हियर मी प्रॉपरली?
ये ठीक है।
क्या मेरी, हाँ, कोई लिख रहे थे कि मेरी आवाज ठीक नहीं है। अच्छा, कोविड कोविड किसी को तंग तो नहीं कर रहा ना? लगता है सब हमारी हमारी टीम में सब स्माइलिंग है।
बिल्कुल।
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। तो जैसे सबको मालूम ही है कि आज का भी जो सेशन है वो बहुत ज़बरदस्त रहने ही वाला है, क्योंकि जो हमारे साथ आ रही हैं वो अपने आप में एक बहुत बड़ी हस्ती है, बहुत बड़ी। मैं उनके बारे में बताता हूँ अभी। बहुत कुछ है मेरे पास उनके लिए बोलने के लिए, क्योंकि जो उनकी श्रद्धा है सुजोग के लिए वो देखते ही बनती है, वो समझते ही बनती है। तो सर क्या शुरू करें क्या?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी। साउंड की प्रॉब्लम आ रही है शायद पिंकी।
अभी अभी बेटर है क्या? इज इट बेटर दिस वे? जिनके हम मिलने जा रहे हैं, बात करने जा रहे हैं, उनका नाम है सीमा दमानी जी, SJT सीमा दमानी जी। She has been associated with Sujok and Professor Park Jae-woo since 1994. Seema ji believes Sujok is not only a body healing system, it's a holistic method of treatment. It works on the physical, emotional, psychic, economical level of a human and creates a perfect human being by enhancing the conscious level of that being. Since she has been associated with Professor since 1994, we expect to hear many stories from her to know our professor more better. Her tagline, bringing smiles to lives, bringing smiles to human lives since 1994. तो ये तो उनकी एक छोटी सी मैंने आपको वो दी है, लेकिन मैं आपको ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि मैं सीमा जी को फर्स्ट टाइम मिला 2014 में, 2014 में हरिद्वार में। और जब मैंने उन्हें देखा और उनका जब जज्बा देखा सुजोग को लेके, और जो भी बात, हम सैमन डोंग का एक सेमिनार था उसमें मिले थे, मैं उनको देख के इस तरीके से प्रभावित हुआ कि कोई भी बात सुजोग को लेकर हो रही है तो सबसे पहले वो आगे आ जाती हैं। कौन सी प्रॉब्लम है मुझे बताओ, क्या करना है चलो करते हैं। और हर वो चीज के लिए जिसके लिए जहाँ पे सुजोग का नाम दिखाई दे रहा है, वो कुछ और सोच नहीं रही हैं, वो कह रही है सिर्फ यस, लेट्स डू इट, लेट्स डू इट, नथिंग एल्स, नो सेकंड थॉट, नो सेकंड थॉट एट ऑल। हम सब लोग हम सब लोग अपने जीवन में एक बहुत बड़ा डिसीजन लेते हैं लाइफ में, वो एक ही होता है। क्या होता है किसी को मालूम है? अपनी लाइफ का एक डिसीजन हम लेते हैं, वो होती है हमारी मैरिज। और मैं जब मैं उनके साथ रहा, सुनते 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 मुझे एक बात और सुनाई दी। जब उनकी मैरिज होनी थी तो उनका एक ही शर्त थी। पता है क्या शर्त थी? आप सुनेंगे तो हैरान रह जाएंगे। मैं आज तक उस बात को सोचता हूँ तो हैरान रह जाता हूँ। मैं वहां शादी करूंगी जहां पे मुझे सुजोग करने में कोई मनाही नहीं होगी। कैन यू इमेजिन? कैन यू इमेजिन? कोई और बात बाद में, पहली बात ये है कि मैं वहां शादी करूंगी जहां पर मुझे सुजोग में करने के लिए कोई रोक टोक नहीं होगी। बाकी चीजें मैं बाद में देखूंगी, पहले ये बात आप कर लो। तो ये बात जब मैं सोचता हूँ, सुनता हूँ और याद करता हूँ तो कहता हूँ क्या क्या बात है, क्या क्या उनका जज्बा है सुजोग को लेके। वो मैं कह, शब्दो शब्द नहीं है उसके लिए इतने कि ऐसा बोला जा सके। तो मैं आज वेलकम करता हूँ सीमा जी को। सीमा जी प्लीज वेलकम, प्लीज आए और आप अपने जो एक्सपीरियंसेस हैं, जो प्रोफेसर के साथ आपके रहे, वो हम सबको भी उससे अवगत कराए, हमें भी उस नाव में लेके चले जिसमें आपके साथ स्माइल चल रही है। सीमा दवानी जी, प्लीज।
थैंक यू दीपक जी, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर गिविंग मी दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी। सबसे पहले तो मुझे याद नहीं है कि मैंने ये कब बोला। बिल्कुल मेरी शायद रही थी, बट आई डोंट रिमेम्बर। या एंड आई वुड
जी जी
लव
जी जी,
इफ
मैं
एवरीबडी
मैं
पुट देयर कैमराज ऑन। यू नो, एक ये इंटरैक्टिव सेशन है तो मुझे और अच्छा लगेगा। आई फील बेटर if we have cameras on.
yes, yes, yes,
So that will be really good.
we will
Thank you
talk.
so much. Thank you so much.
Yes, yes.
Yes, Deepak ji. So first, I would like to talk about how I came into Sujo. That's very interesting.
Yes,
and
yes,
very,
yes.
So I was operated in my spine. I was on death's bed for 6 months. I couldn't walk. My lower limbs were paralyzed, and then somehow the doctors came and operated me. And because of the operation, मेरा spine काफ़ी hunchback था, काफ़ी ऐसा था. So then उस समय से दिमाग में पेरेंट्स ने घुसा दिया था तुमको डॉक्टर बनना है आगे. And I was in class 4 that time. So when I grew up, and then 10 के बाद में मैंने प्री मेडिकल टेस्ट वगैरह दिए, and I didn't get through, but I got through homeopathy. But then उसके साथ साथ में I heard about Sujo. One of my, I think she's here, Jayashree Damani. Are you here? Can I have you on the camera?
Yes, yes.
Your camera on? Yeah, Jayashree, thank you so much. She is my relative. She came home and my mother was suffering from gastric, and she pressed some points and immediately she got relief. So I asked her, what is it? She said, this is reflexology. Now reflexology, we all know it's a different type of science. It's not so different, but I was impressed. And uske baad wala hi Sunday, see how the chain is coming. That I had to come in Sujok. So how the chain goes. मैं न्यूज़पेपर नहीं पढ़ती थी कभी, बट उस दिन मैंने न्यूज़पेपर खोला, संडे को, नेक्स्ट संडे ही मैंने न्यूज़पेपर खोला. उसमें आई सॉ वन एड दैट Sujok classes going 5 to 7, reflexology classes going 3 to 5. And same teacher, Dr. Suman Shah, okay, from Calcutta. So then मैं गलती से I went to Sujok class instead of reflexology. It was by mistake. I went in the wrong time. And then I said I want to do reflexology. Dr. Suman Shah said, see, reflexology class over हो गया आज का. Now we have Sujok class. You can join that. There's a new upcoming theory and it's a very good theory. So I said, no, I don't want to do that. I want to do reflexology. But he said, beta, join today. If you don't like, don't come from tomorrow. I said, okay, fine, I joined. And I was so mesmerized by it. I just enrolled and I started. When I enrolled and I did it, it was in 1994, May. And what I feel is things just came up for me. Professor came to Kolkata for seminar in March 1994. And May 1994 again, Dr. Suman Shah is saying in our lectures, in our classes, he is saying that Professor is coming to Calcutta. The founder of Sujok is coming to Calcutta in June. Who wants to attend? मैंने बिना सोचे समझे अपना हाथ उठा दिया. I didn't think also, बस हाथ उठा दिया. It was for the first and last time that Professor had visited one city twice in a year. मार्च में आए थे, फिर जून में आए हैं. I said it was for me only. I take it that way. It was for me only. So I attended, and then फिर बात आई प्रैक्टिस की. And then I started practice, and धीरे धीरे डॉक्टर सुमन शाह का क्लिनिक में पेशेंट्स कम और थेरेपिस्ट ज़्यादा थे. अब ऑफ कोर्स इट्स अ chaos. Then automatically धीरे धीरे the therapist left and I was left alone. And then the work-wise clinic became mine. So that was how I joined. I told the story to Professor. Professor said in one simple sentence, you didn't choose Sujok. Sujok chose you for itself. It was one simple sentence from him, which I remember very vividly. On the stage, he is sitting on the table, and I went to him and he spoke this. So that was the first thing, and there are many things. What I in fact I would go on speaking day the whole day, but I would select some things. One, he never used to allow questions in his lectures. He never used to allow. I think यहाँ पे काफ़ी lecturers होंगे, तो आप लोग allow करते हो questions अपने lectures में, but professor, he never used to allow. And you know, he used to be on the stage, and in an auditorium, the first row is also quite far away. First row भी seat का काफ़ी दूर होता था. So now he's teaching, and okay, this question, I didn't understand this. My voice is clear?
Yes.
Yeah. So like I had in mind, okay, this is not clear, but it's okay. Go away. Go with the flow. Don't get stuck. One thing I learned very nicely from him: if you get stuck anywhere, don't just stop. Go ahead. You will get the answers to the previous things. This is, you can take it as a learning from professor. This is for sure. If you get stuck anywhere, you just flow, go with the flow, and you will get the answers. So every time I used to skip out anything and मुझे समझ में नहीं आया ये, but within 10 minutes I used to get the answer. Not one times, two times. Every time within 10 minutes I used to get the answer. तो ये सिर्फ शायद मेरे साथ नहीं होता होगा, और भी लोगों के साथ होता होगा. I used to get the answer, तो और भी लोगों को मिलता ही होगा. So that was one thing, and the most I would say interesting as well as goose flesh लाने वाला incidents is that 2005, since दीपक जी ने शादी का बात चलाया था मेरा, so one thing related to that only. So 2005, it was in Bhopal. I was sitting on the first row, last bench, last seat. Professor was talking about soul. There was a green board, big green board. He's talking about soul. He's making souls, pipe like, and then chalk से ऐसे करके soul बना रहे हैं. And then he was taking, this is this soul, this is his soul, this is Shima's soul. So he drew that. And for me, I never used to look here and there. When he's teaching, my eyes are fixed on him. My mind never used to waver for a second also. Like if anybody used to ask me, सीमा तुम्हारा नोट्स तो ना थोड़ा बनाना है, I said मेरा नोट्स में तुमको कुछ नहीं समझ में आने वाला है, because it was maybe इतना जो मोटा कॉपी होता है, maybe half a copy in 15 days lectures, half a copy वो भी maybe 4-5 lines in one page, that's all. No notes. I could never take up notes. I used to be like this only, और जो लिखना है it was like this. It was like this. नीचे नहीं देखना है. So my mind always used to be there. But that year, 2005, I was in the first row. I was engaged that time because 2005 April I was going to get married, and professor was teaching soul, and suddenly for a few, not even seconds, fraction of a second, my mind went off. My consciousness was not there in the lectures, and when maybe not even a second, like maybe something like this, but when my consciousness came back, professor on the stage, I got my goose flesh again. So professor on the stage, he is speaking. Now what Shima is thinking, he used to call me Shima. So now what Shima is thinking, I can know. He told this. What does this mean? This was a big thing for me. It changed my life. It changed the way I look at Sucho. Because what is this? He could be with everybody's mind together. जैसे वो मेरा mind read कर रहे थे, और भी बहुत लोगों का mind read कर रहे होंगे. Not only one. Though I know, I'll take the liberty of this platform to speak. चौहान जी यहाँ हैं? Rammohit Chauhan from Mumbai. So I really love him for saying he was introducing me to one person and ये कौन है, ये मुझे हर सेमिनार में दिखती हैं, वो काफ़ी लेट ज्वाइन किए थे एंड इनका इंट्रोडक्शन क्या है, हिज इंट्रोडक्शन फॉर मी वाज, अरे ये तो प्रोफेसर की लाडली है। तो सीमा हम लोग को तुमसे जलन होती थी कभी कभी कि प्रोफेसर तुमको कितना प्यार करते हैं। सो आई वाज, इससे बढ़िया इंट्रोडक्शन और नहीं हो सकता है। सो यू नो लाइक दिस वाज जो उन्होंने माइंड में पढ़ा है, मेरा फ्यू सेकेंड्स के लिए माइंड कॉन्शियसनेस बाहर गया है एंड ही कुड रीड व्हाट आई एम थिंकिंग, आई एम नॉट विथ हिम, he could make it out. What does this mean? Can anybody guess? According to Triorigin, what does this mean? And this was of course after Triorigin. What does this mean? Can you guess? What I attribute is, you know, like Lord Krishna, हर गोपी को लगता था वो मेरे साथ हैं. He used to be there with everybody. वो physically नहीं है सबके साथ में. But then everybody used to feel he is with me, he is with me. So when your soul is activated, which professor taught us through Triorigin, through Samadam, through smile meditation, when our soul is activated, it's strong enough, we can connect to anybody at any given point of time. We can connect even to a dog, even to a bird, even to a plant. Only humans तक ये सीमित नहीं है. So this is the spirit, soul activation. Because he was one with soul with me, it was nothing for him. It was just this for him. What Seema is thinking, I know. If I become one with soul with Deepak ji, I can know what he is thinking in mind. It happens. हम सबके साथ ये होता है. See, if you are listening to a song in a radio, you haven't listened to that song any time, but साथ में आप गुनगुनाने लग जाते हैं, या कोई कुछ बोलना चाहता है आप उसके साथ साथ बोल देते हैं. Why is it so? Because your soul, you are so much engrossed with that person, your soul and that person's soul has become one. That is why उसके बोलने से पहले आप समझ जाते हैं. And that is the reason why a small infant and a mother, they understand each other. Why husband wife they understand each other before saying? और कोई relation में इतना नहीं होता है, because we don't put the soul. That is what professor wanted to teach us. Activate your soul. Once your soul is activated, you have the master key. The Triorigin speaks that. You have the master key. You can visit the zero world anytime. You can connect to anybody. You can get answers to anything in your life. So this experience of professor in 2005 changed my whole perspective of how to look at Sujok. So Sujok, जो introduction दीपक जी ने दिया है, it's not only physical healing, it came from there. So that is the persona. We cannot say he could see one spot and say, is this, how is this? Is this correct? Is this not? Rekha Ben is there. Rajula Desai. Rajula Desai is there? Yeah, so she is there. So her instance I would say, she went to professor. I have this problem. Professor just did this. Okay, go. He didn't do anything. He just did this and go. And then she is in a government. She's a government employee, so every regular intervals they have blood test. Next time she saw, her blood group was changed. Her blood group was changed.
Oh my God.
Yes, only this by professor. Her blood group was changed.
Rajula ji idhar hi hai, I think.
She's here. Here. Rajula ji ko unmute karke she can say hi. So this was professor. This is professor. In fact, I won't say was. So this is Rajula ji. You can speak, please.
Yes. सुनाई देता है मेरी आवाज?
Yes.
जी राजूला जी आवाज सुनाई दे रही है.
हाँ, मैं प्रोफेसर के पास स्टेज पर, मुझे आशा जी, सायदा जी सबने भेजा था, आप जाओ आपकी प्रॉब्लम के लिए। तो ब्रेक टाइम था, सब ब्रेक में गए और प्रोफेसर ने बस ऐसे ऐसे ही किया। उसके बाद 4 दिन मुझे डिहाइड्रेशन हो गया जयपुर में। 4 दिन तक बिल्कुल पानी निकले बॉडी से, ऐसा डिहाइड्रेशन। मैं कुछ भी खाना नहीं खाती थी, दही भात, इतना चावल 2 चम्मच, 4 दिन तक। गुरुवार को मेरे को ऐसा लगा कि अभी मेरी तबीयत, अभी मेरी स्टेमिना नहीं है। तो मैं जो रेकी करती हूँ वहां बोला था, उन्होंने मुझे हीलिंग दिया। तो मैं 8 दिन पूरा मैंने अटेंड किया था क्लास। 13 दिन था वो। और बाद में हमारे ऑफिस में जो बॉडी चेकअप करते हैं पूरा गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से, तो पूरा मेरा बॉडी का रिपोर्ट अच्छा था। डॉक्टर बोले बहुत अच्छा, बहुत। तो ब्लड ग्रुप वहां लिखा, मेरी नजर वहां गई। मैंने बोला कौन सा लिखा है मेरा ब्लड ग्रुप? तो वो पॉजिटिव। मैंने बोला मेरा तो नेगेटिव ब्लड है, मेरा हस्बैंड का, बेटे का, सबका वो नेगेटिव है, आपने कैसे पॉजिटिव लिख दिया? मेरा रिपोर्ट चेंज हो गया शायद। उसके बाद मैंने 3-4 बार कितनी जगह पर मैंने ब्लड रिपोर्ट करवाया है, तो दोनों क्रॉस चेक किए, सभी जगह वो पॉजिटिव ब्लड आया मेरा।
That's Professor.
अभी भी वो पॉजिटिव। मेरे को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, नेगेटिव है पॉजिटिव। जब मैं बीमार होंगी तब फैमिली को ट्रबल होगी।
No, it's okay, but this is what now you know what, we were talking, Professor and I was talking, and I'm sorry, we were talking and I said, Professor,
सब लोग नहीं मानते हैं कि ब्लड ग्रुप ऐसे चेंज हो सकता है, लेकिन मेरा हुआ है।
right,
जी 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 जी, बहुत बड़ी बात है।
So we were talking and I said, Professor, is it so easy? So he said, I have given you Triorigen. Work on it. So Triorigen he has given us. You know, we were, hello?
जी जी, we can hear you.
Yeah. So Triorigen, you know, we were very not good students when it came to professors early initial stages. You know, every time after smile meditation, professor used to say, don't indulge in any other activities in the evening. Please be within yourself. And हम लोग तो क्या करते थे, जयपुर शॉपिंग का एरिया था, सीधा फाइल्स रखते थे and we used to run for shopping. So all the energy which he gave us was dissipated. But now we understand the value. So now we are working on that. So Triorigen Science, I remember in 2010, he was sitting very quietly. Professor was sitting very quietly, and suddenly he said, we were all sitting, suddenly he said, no one understands Triorigen. Suddenly he said, no one understands Triorigen. Because the fundamental, what we used to do, Triorigen acupuncture, Triorigen time acupuncture, that is Triorigen for us. But no, the philosophy, what he really wanted to give. If we understand the philosophy of Triorigen, we understand everything in this universe, which we really need to work hard on. So that was his main, what I understood in 2010, he really wanted to give us that. Understand Triorigen, its philosophy, and he, Triorigen World, I think सब जन जानते होंगे वो book को, Triorigen World, he said this is like the Gita and Ramayana for Sucho. Everybody should hold this book at least once a day. See, हम सब हनुमान चालीसा हम सबको आती है, पूरी मुखस्त है, बट हम बड़े क्यों बोलते हैं बुक हाथ में लेके पढ़ो, क्योंकि वो बुक में वाइब्रेशंस हैं. So the same way, every day take the book, Triorigen World in your hand. These are not my words. This I am saying what Professor said. Take this book every day in your hand, read at least one page. And in that book, it seems this thick, but it's actually this thick. This may be more. Because each page has layers of understanding. आप पेज नंबर 47 को एक बार पढ़ेंगे, you will understand something else. 47 को थोड़े दिन बाद पढ़ेंगे, इट विल गिव यू अ डिफरेंट अंडरस्टैंडिंग। ओके, उस दिन तो मुझे ये समझ में आया था, आज ये समझ में आ रहा है। इट इज ऑलवेज दैट। सो देयर आर लेयर्स ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग इन ईच पेज। So, you know, he has worked as a dishwasher in a restaurant in America. Do you know? It's written in the book. Trojan's World book में लिखा है. So he's worked as a dishwasher. So read that book. You will understand a lots and lots about Professor. A lots. Okay. And I think what else you want me to speak like?
जैसे आपने पहले भी बताया कि 2005 में आपका एक एपिसोड है जो आपने बहुत अच्छे से बताया, ऐसा और क्या प्रोफेसर की क्या खासियत रही, प्रोफेसर को आप कैसे और देखते हो, what type of human being he has been, the kind of work he used to do?
So he was very strict that way. He was very strict that way. No means no. He had, of course, he will have a super aura. Without his mental permission, you cannot enter his aura. You know, he's sitting on the stage, on his table. So many people are standing here, waiting to go and meet him. Some people just come up and go. Some people are waiting. They cannot go because he doesn't want them to come. So this was his aura. If he doesn't want, you cannot approach me. And this all he attributes to Triardian. This is nothing. I am nothing. I am also a simple person like you. This is only Triardian, which gives you this power. So I have given you everything. Now you develop. That is why today I would request you, please go through Trojan World book and at least one page each day, and you will really understand what Professor wanted to give, to us. And I am very sure that in a few years Sujok is going to be very different from now. And you know what I tell to my students when I teach Sujok Basic, आप लोग बहुत आराम से एंटर कर गए सुजोक में. After a few years, maybe 3-4 maximum, you will have to go through entrance exams. We'll have a Sujok University, so you be prepared for it. So we are the pioneers, and Professor has this dream: Smile Civilization. What is smile? You know, right now I am learning a bit Russian also. So in Russia, smile is smile only, S-M-I-L-E. No other way you write it. When you translate, you see S-M-I-L-E smile in English, S-M-I-L-E smile in Russian. It's not different. So smile is the language understood all over the world, same. Why smile? So smile is neutral. We know that neutral. And his last year, that is 2010. Do you remember how many of you are here who has been a lot of with Professor? मतलब at least 10 साल रहे हैं Professor के साथ. कितने जन हैं यहाँ पे? You can put this mark. 10 साल से ऊपर कोई नहीं रहा. Okay. So you know, 2010 was the year when we had to depart from him physically, but since last 4 years he was speaking, maybe next time I don't come. Since last 4 years, maybe next time I don't come. He was preparing us, and we used to say, no, how can you say this, Professor? No. And 2010, it was in Russia. Every time in seminars, Professor never used to see his watch. टाइम के लिए, इफ इट इज अ टाइम लाइक ब्रेक टाइम और मे बी लेक्चर इज ओवर, कोठारी जी एज एन ऑर्गेनाइजर बेचारे वो थक जाते थे बोलते बोलते, प्रोफेसर इट्स टाइम फॉर लंच, इट्स टाइम फॉर लंच, इट्स टाइम फॉर द लेक्चर टू बी ओवर, बट ही नेवर यूज्ड टू सी, वो चल रहा है एकदम धुन में अपनी. सो बट in 2010 in Moscow he was having a seminar. He was seeing his watch. Every time he's seeing his watch, exactly on time he just went off. He went away exactly on time. When he went from his university, that is classroom, till his car, there was a road, a pavement which he had to pass. This I'm saying heard story by Dr. Minshall, and but this shows how much he knew what is going to happen in his life. Everything was predicted. So he just went, and his age was, what was his age, you know? किसी को पता है उस दिन की एज क्या थी?
67 I think. Yeah.
63.
63.
So he fell in front of a shop which number was 63 and which was a flower shop. Same number. Flowers are the most beautiful. He was 63 or 68?
According to me, it's
Flowers,
67.
47 to 2010. Hey, one sec. Let me check. Aditi, do you know?
68 maybe. 67 or 68.
47 or 42? 42 to 2010.
68 हो गया.
68, it is 68.
42, right, 68.
68.
42 to 2010. Yes. So 68 years, and in 2010, two things I'm explaining. One in India seminar, one in Russia seminar. So in India seminar, he had his seminar in March. After doing smile meditation, he never used to give certificate if the participant is not coming dancing, because he said if body is not smiling, your mind cannot smile. So the student has to come dancing on the stage, and he has to then get the certificate. So everybody, there were 110 participants. So these participants, they came dancing. Somebody is dancing, somebody is dancing. Everybody is different. Everybody is dancing different. And professor used to dance with everybody non-stop in his style. If you are dancing this way, he will dance this way. If I am dancing this way, he will dance this way. So every person, he is dancing the same as that person with 110 people at that age. So this is the power of Triorigin. Of course, it doesn't mean that Triorigin and professor are no different. I'm saying Triorigin, but they're same. Okay. So and in Moscow, let me continue the story of Moscow. He was seeing, and then he just fell down in front of the flower shop. Flowers are the most beautiful things in this world. They are the most beautiful things. So he just fell down. He was kept some time in the flower shop, and then he said, everything is okay, take me home. And Dr. McGee was there, and he took him home. And next day, on that road, there was a flower carved. There was a carving of a flower. So if possible, maybe we can ask Dr. Minshall to show that video to us someday. So the place where he fell, एक carving बन गया था. And when he was passing, one of the Russian ladies who was going behind him, he said, why professor is going up like this? She saw professor going up like this. जैसे हवा में उड़ रहे हैं ऐसे, नॉर्मल ऐसे नहीं चल रहे हैं. He is going up like this. So he said, why professor is going up like this? So he knew his destiny. He knew everything. That is why since last 4 years he was saying that maybe next year I don't come. Maybe next year I don't come. He was preparing us. And then exact time. Leaving. Because time, we know the importance of time. Time is the most important thing in this universe. Okay? So that day he left exactly in time. So that is our professor. So he was not a normal person, of course, but he used to say, I'm a normal person like you, but it's only you can also make yourself that. So let's follow his path. I request, let's follow his path, and that can be only done through tri-origin philosophy understanding. Understand that. For that, read Tri-Origin World Book. It will be a big tribute to him. Read that book every day, at least one page. It will be a big tribute to him. If we are really followers, and I would take the opportunity to tell one thing today, that is ISA is of course dream of everybody, all of us. Professor initiated it. Dr. Minchul, they are going ahead with it. But we need to understand one thing. Whatever we get, we need to follow it. What we generally do, it's for me also. What we generally do, the head, of course, Dr. Minchul, he said something. No, it should be that way. It should be this way. No, the head of the family should be one. If there are too many heads in the family won't do good. We think our way. He has to go with the whole world. All mentalities, Indian mentality, Russian mentality, everything. So let's follow only one head. Let's follow only one head and pay our heartiest tribute to Professor by just following what our global president and vice president have to say. Let's follow that. So I think that's all from my side. If you want to know something else, if you have any questions, I'll try to answer about Professor, if you have something.
थैंक यू सीमा जी, आपने बहुत सारी बातें ऐसी बताई हैं प्रोफेसर की जो अभी तक ना हमने सुनी थी ना जानी थी। जो जिस तरीके से रशिया में जो कुछ हुआ, वो भी आपने एक शब्द, एक चीज को ऐसे समझाया है कि कैसे प्रोफेसर गए, क्या क्या हुआ और कैसे वो रोड के ऊपर फ्लावर की कार्विंग बन गई उन जहाँ पे वो गिरे थे। ये अपने आप में ये दिखाता है कि प्रोफेसर वाज अ सेंट. He was a saint and there is no doubt about it. जैसे कि हमने पहले सुना है कभी कि जब सेंट लोग बॉडी छोड़ते हैं तो वो फ्लावर्स छोड़ के जाते हैं, और ये भी एक तरीके से वही बात आपने बताई। मैं चाहता हूँ कि कुछ लोग अगर अपनी कोई बात पूछना चाहें सीमा जी से, क्योंकि सीमा जी ने बहुत समय चीजें ऐसी उन्होंने देखी और महसूस की हुई हैं जो हम सबके लिए फायदे में होंगी। आप में से कोई कुछ पूछना चाहे तो जरूर पूछें। जो पूछना चाहे वो।
थैंक यू फ्लेविया। So we all can easily be we all can easily become saints. When Professor has given us tri-origin, we all can become. Only thing is understanding the philosophy. Don't take tri-origin only as a treatment system. I again and again repeat, don't take tri-origin only as a treatment system. take it as a philosophy, as a guide to your life. So yes, that's it.
Yes, definitely. Yeah, it's a life science actually.
Yes.
If we say it like it's a life science. Thank you so much, सीमा जी. आपने बहुत सारी बातें हमें जो दी हैं, बताई हैं, ये हम सब के साथ जीवन में साथ चलेंगी, क्योंकि ये जो एहसास है जो आपके पास है वो अब हमारे साथ भी होने लगा है, और हमारे साथ भी रहेगा. जब तक हम रहेंगे तब तक ये रहेगा, क्योंकि ये इतना इम्पोर्टेंट है और कि हम सुजोग को लेके आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, और जो सुजोग की फील्ड प्रोफेसर के साथ जुड़ी हुई है, और प्रोफेसर को जब हम महसूस करते हैं कि वो इतने पावरफुल थे, इतनी उनके पास कैपेबिलिटी थी, इतनी सारी चीजें उन्होंने डेवलप करी, और जो इंटरनल पावर थी उनके पास, विद द एसेंस ऑफ ट्रायरिजन विच यू टोल्ड अस, विच यू गाइडेड अस, कि आप उसको उस पे उतरिए, उसको समझिए, उसको पढ़िए, उसको अपनी लाइफ में उतार लीजिए, तो यू विल गेट मेनी थिंग्स ऑटोमेटिकली. तो ये बहुत सारा ज्ञान आपने हमें दिया है.
One more gyan I have.
जी.
One more gyan I have. We have time?
Yes.
We have time, okay. So you know what, when we teach students अभी, जैसे मैम इतना डिफिकल्ट लग रहा है अभी, एक बार में कैसे समझ में आएगा, रिपीट तो करना पड़ेगा ना लेक्चर्स. आई सेड ऑफ कोर्स यस, you have to repeat to become a perfect, because we did at least 7-8 times each subject with professor, then we became what we are today. At least 7-8 times, at least I'm saying minimum, then we could understand. You know what was his style of teaching? We explain to students, this is this, what is the logic behind it, what is the reason, because first thing we say to our students, when you are learning Sujok, you have the full right to answer why is this so, because Sujok में बिना logic कुछ भी नहीं है, everything is very logical, so you have the full right to ask why is this so. Everything should have a logic. So how professor used to teach, he used to just go on the stage and start, understand, समझो अपने आप, no explanation, nothing. Smile birthday song. This is a song. Smile, smile, smile birthday. So one fine day he got in the stage, and lunch के बाद generally शुरू करते थे. So he got up the stage and music on and started dancing. What is happening? Okay, no, understand. This is smile birthday song. Understand what is happening. So why this movements? Why these words? We had to understand ourselves. Tribes chorus. This one. Why one time, then 2 times, then 4 times, then continuous? Why this way? We had to understand ourselves. There was no explanation. Only the explanation, hetero is 1, homo is 2, neutro is 3 or 4, and neutro is infinity. That's all. And of course, अब we can relate very very easily, because we are so well versed. But शुरू में नहीं relate कर सकते थे कि क्या relation है. So he just used to start. Samandong, just on stage. I'm doing. Learn it. Understand what is the science behind it. What is the philosophy behind it. What is the theory behind it. No explanation. And गलती से अगर कोई स्टेज के पास पूछने की चाह से चला गया, पूछने की चाह से, ऑफ कोर्स तो समझ तो जाएंगे ये कुछ पूछने आया है, गो सीधा गो, नो आंसर्स, नो आंसर्स. It was like that. So just understand. So basically he wanted us to become, to get the essence of the theory, not that ऊपर ऊपर का दे दिया and spoon feeding. So get the essence of the theory, that every movement you do, you understand. I remember there were a few particular gestures he used to do which were very common with him. One, when he is talking, he used to do like this, and then rub, and then his thumb. अभी शोइंग के लिए मैं ऐसे कर दिखा रही हूँ, बट ऐसे पकड़ के he used to do it. Very often he used to do it. I thought, let me try it. What happens? I won't give my experience. You just try it. You just try it and feel your experience. So both the hands together and then thumbs. Rub the thumbs like this. मतलब thumb को एक दूसरे से मसाज कर रहे हैं. Okay? Both hands together then. This way. Okay? Just do that. And then with his right hand on his leg, upper leg, many a times a circular massage. Many, and you feel. What do you feel with it? This cannot be shared. So it is many times when he is talking, one incident. Lectures के time में अचानक से he said, my phone is ringing. Lectures के बीच में अचानक से he said, my phone is ringing. He didn't have his phone in his pocket. His phone was in his room.
Oh my God.
His phone was in the room. And then it was a very important call. He went to the room and he saw it was the exact time when he got the idea. My phone is ringing. So it's all from his point of view. It's nothing big. It's nothing big. When he used to say, "Wow, professor," so he used to look. What is? He never used to say, but he used to look. What is wow in this? It's simple. For him, all these were very small things. There is nothing big about it. So if we really, again I come to the same thing. If you'll say, Seema is repeating and repeating, but it's worth repeating. If you really want those things inside you, please go through Try Origin World book. Please go through that. It will really change your life. And again, as Deepak ji gave my introduction, Sujok is not only treatment. Generally what we do, we are learning Sujok for others. हमको पेशेंट ठीक करना है. अरे पेशेंट से पहले खुद को तो अच्छा करो. फिजिकली नहीं बोल रही हूँ मैं, बट mentally, emotionally, spiritually, there are many things. What is saint? What is a saint? If you are perfect, you have a strong body, you have a healthy mind, you have a healthy body, strong mind, you have an uplifted soul. It's a perfect life. वो जो साधु लोग बोलते थे जाओ बच्चा तुम ठीक हो गया, what is that? So it's your positive vibrations. That's all. And Try Origin can really give us that thing. This professor has taught us. And his book, each and every word teaches us. Each and every word in his book. And also the very small book, Smile Meditation. It's a very thin book. Smile Meditation for everybody. It's a very thin book, small one. Go through that also. That is also very nice. So again I would say, to understand professor, to know professor more, read your book Try Origin World. Read your book Try Origin World. Finally, thank you.
Seema ma'am?
Yes. Thank you.
Seema madam?
Yes.
Nitin Narwani here.
Yeah.
Madam, I was little bit late over here क्योंकि मैं ऑफिस क्लिनिक बंद करके इधर आया था, लेट हुआ. तो if you have the recording, please send the link if it is possible. अगर वो आप YouTube पे करते हैं तो.
That I would also like to have, Deepak ji, if possible.
जी. We are doing this series of interviews. Later on, once it's over, we will upload all the videos later on. Yes. Because we want people to come present in the meeting and take interest in it. So that's why we are not putting it on YouTube, because they otherwise they can think that they can see it later.
Yeah.
They don't come in the meeting then.
But it was a very nice thing. It was really nice. I'm feeling very satisfied with doing this. And people who are showering your love. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू सीमा जी। नितिन जी थैंक यू। आप नितिन जी आप आ गए हैं, अगली बार आपसे बुलवाना है मुझे, मैं आपको बुला रहा हूँ। मैं आपको बहुत याद कर रहा हूँ कि आप भी अपने दो शब्द हमें सबको बताएं, बिकॉज यू आल्सो हैव ब्यूटीफुल एक्सपीरियंस विद हिम।
क्या बात करो, हमारे ये सीमा जी के पास आ गया मतलब हम सबका निचोड़ है। सीमा जी मतलब हम सबके निचोड़।
जी 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 जी।
और दीपक जी कैसी है तबीयत? ठीक है सर?
सब ठीक, बहुत बढ़िया बहुत अच्छा लगा आप आ गए, बहुत ही अच्छा लगा।
थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू सीमा जी, थैंक यू। बहुत ही बढ़िया सेशन, आपने बहुत कुछ दिया। ट्रायोजन को हम अब जीवन में उतारने वाले हैं, ट्रायोजन को हम जीने वाले हैं, ट्रायोजन को हम अपने साथ लेके चलने वाले हैं। ट्रायोजन बुक को रोज खोलने वाले हैं, पढ़ने वाले हैं, याद करने वाले हैं, वाइब्रेशन को फील करने वाले हैं। आपकी हर कही हुई एक एक बात को, प्रोफेसर की जो फील को अपने साथ में लेके चलने वाले हैं। आज का सेशन के लिए मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूँ आपको। थैंक्स टू यू एंड बहुत ही बढ़िया आपने सेशन। अजय आज का सेशन यही कंप्लीट करें। अजय सर
किसी को कुछ पूछना है तो पूछ सकते हैं सीमा जी से।
सर हमको कुछ बोलना है
जी जयश्री जी।
सीमा जी, आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू यू।
थैंक यू सो मच जयश्री।
आप अकेले में मेरे को जो प्रोफेसर से मिलाए थे ग्रीन रूम में, याद है, कला कुंज में?
यस।
उसके बाद प्रोफेसर मुझे पुल कर लिए वापस से आपके थ्रू। तो सुजो कहाँ लाइफ से कहाँ गायब ही हो गया।
तो या पर्सनली में there are only 2-3 professor never used to talk personal. Only I remember again 2000 said okay fine give. I was like wow, लेकिन मुझे एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं था कि वो बात करेंगे। वो नहीं करते हैं कभी भी, किसी के घर ऐसे जल्दी से नहीं जाते थे, कभी भी किसी से बात नहीं करते थे। एंड देन ही टॉक्ड एंड व्हाट ही सेड was like heartwarming नहीं, उससे बहुत ज़्यादा for me. He is telling my husband, you are a lucky person to have Seema as your wife. I was like on the 7th cloud. So like professor speaking this, it was a big thing for me. It was a big thing for me. And then after marriage, of course, my husband came to Jaipur to meet him. But yes, so that was the thing.
Beautiful.
Seriously, I am very lucky. I have met him in person and you made me meet him.
Right. So we both made each other's lives. So you introduced me to Sujo and he introduced you.
Yeah.
So that's good.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Can I speak?
Yeah, sure.
Yes, please.
Smile evening, Seema ji.
Smile evening.
Smile evening, Ajay sir. Smile evening, Gulati ji.
Smile evening.
Seema ji, very happy to see you on this platform, speaking about professor.
Thank you.
And I came to Sujog in 2011 after the death of professor. So हमेशा मुझे मालूम नहीं तभी that initial phase, I don't know क्या अजीब खालीपन. I used to feel the absence of professor. लेकिन gradually अभी मुझे absence नहीं feel हो रहा है. I feel he is with us through his work. I feel him along with me. लेकिन I don't know, looking at you, all those things, मुझे हमेशा होता है कि ये लोग प्रोफेसर के साथ physically थे, so blessed people, और I don't know, I feel so excited looking at you all, जो भी प्रोफेसर के साथ जुड़े थे ना तभी. So I don't know, एक अजीब खुशी मिलता है जब भी आप लोग प्रोफेसर के बारे में बताते हैं, प्रोफेसर का नरेशन करते हैं, जो आपने अभी रशिया का बताया. I don't know, goosebumps आता है कि कितना आप लोग blessed बन रहे हैं. लेकिन I am also blessed because he is living with us through his work and we are so passionate about his work.
See, he is there. Right now he is there.
Yes.
Right now he is there.
Yes. I can feel it. And दूसरा आपने बोला never stop when stuck. हाँ. So this is my attitude also. जब भी मैं 2011 में आई, at that time I was doing my masters in yoga, philosophy, all those things. So मुझे time ही नहीं मिलता था. I was stuck. मैं seminar जाती थी, इतना passionate थी. I used to attend seminars and when Minchul sir या Minkyu sir questions देते थे, I used to look around and say wow. so beautiful. One day I'll also reach that level. So that excitement है ना, लेकिन क्या है, लेकिन समझ में नहीं आता था, लेकिन I know I was continuing all my seminars, all my upgradation, and I can see कि after a long period the time has come now. I am really भगवान ने मुझे अभी टाइम दिया है इसके ऊपर फोकस करने के लिए. इनिशियल पीरियड नहीं हो रहा था. इट्स ओके, एवरीथिंग इज इज विल. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि मेरा जो अपग्रेडेशन पहले से अभी तक चल रहा है एंड इट इज कंटिन्यूइंग. और दूसरा आपने बताया प्रोफेसर का बारे में कि फोन कॉल, जब भी सेमिनार में थे उनका रूम का फोन कॉल आता था, उनको समझ में आता था. लेकिन समटाइम्स आई वंडर कि प्रोफेसर जीरो वर्ड से सब कुछ ला सकते हैं, तो ये रियल वर्ल्ड का क्या चीज है. है ना. So thank you so much for giving beautiful experiences of professor, and thank you for coming in this platform. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Yeah, Mamta ji, you want to say something?
Yes, Mamta ji, yes. ममता जी आप कहिए.
Smile evening, Deepak ji, Seema ji,
Smile evening,
all the family members of Sujog. I'm really very thankful to Deepak ji first of all for organizing such a wonderful thing. बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा चीज़ आपने प्लान किया है और इतने अच्छे से मटेरियलाइज हो रहा है. And Seema ji, the sharing that you have given with Professor was giving me goosebumps every time you were giving the sharing. I am not joking at all. My voice is still shivering. इतना आनंद आता है प्रोफेसर का एक एक बात सुन के. You can actually feel him. इतना शक्ति है उनके बारे में, सिर्फ शेयर करते हुए इतना शक्ति है. तो उनके साथ में रहा हुआ पल कितना महत्वपूर्ण होगा, ये सोचा नहीं जा सकता है. When I go back, when I have done the seminars with Professor, कई सारी बातें याद आती है और इतना आनंद मिलता है सोच करके. It's just not possible to share also, I can say that. And the way you have put up everything and about the Smile Tri-Origin World, I definitely religiously read at least one page every day and really enjoy it. प्रोफेसर के लिए सोचने से ही एक अलग तरह का शक्ति का अनुभव होता है, ये तो पक्की बात. एंड मिंटू सर ने जितना बार भी शेयर किया है प्रोफेसर के बारे में, शिवज होता था तो सामने रहते थे वो लोग. आप तो स्क्रीन पे हो, वहां से शेयर कर रहे हो, उसके बाद इतना शिवज आ रहा है. कितना शक्ति है प्रोफेसर, सचमुच में बहुत बड़े संत थे. And we all are very lucky who have actually seen him, attended his course and seminars, been with him, and I have seen him dancing throughout the certificate giving time. And किसी एक बंदे को बिना नाचे तो मिलेगा ही नहीं सर्टिफिकेट, ये तो पक्की बात है.
And I feel, like may Dr. Mitchell say, I was telling him, he said, I just got 2 hugs or 3 hugs from my father in the whole life. Yes. I said, I got 5. So after 2005, every year after giving certificates, he used to hug me. Wow. So of course तभी ये लोग बोलते थे ना, we feel jealous कि सीमा तुमको इतना प्यार करते थे. So it was like that was a very different feeling. It was a very different feeling. So it was it cannot be explained of course, but yeah, it was a very different feeling.
And I'm very thankful to the universe and Professor, of course, that my main teacher of Sujog is Seema ji. उनसे ही मैंने सीखा है, उनसे ही मैंने ट्रीटमेंट शुरू किया है, उनसे ही मेरा बात हुआ है सुमन अंकल के क्लिनिक से. So thank you Seema ji, and of course thank you so much Professor. I'm very lucky, I will say that. I'm very lucky. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
I have a quick question. Yes. Well, Seema ji, you spoke about 2 things. I mean, the Tri-Origin World and the Salmon Dong, right? I was like, how do I get a copy of that book? I don't see it online. And is there any store that is selling that book?
No. So, are you aware our R&D center, the main center is Nagpur?
No, I mean, I mean, if I can get the address, I can figure it out.
So I think you can get in touch with me. Aditi, she's in touch with you.
Yeah.
I am Ajay sir's student.
Yeah, so you can get the details from R&D Center. R&D Center, you can ask.
Yeah, I think it is not available right now.
I think right now it's not available.
Yes.
But you can keep an order. As it will be available, you can get it.
Okay, perfect. And do you teach Salmon Dong?
Then I would request Ajay ji, if possible, आप अपना क्लिनिक में रख सकते हैं थोड़ी देर पढ़ने के लिए ये लोग सबको।
नहीं, मेरी बुक मेरे स्टूडेंट्स लेके जाते हैं। मेरे पास एक एक्स्ट्रा बुक है जो मैं अजय जी को यूएस भेज रहा हूँ, तो सुमा जी यू कैन टेक फ्रॉम हिम। आई एम सेंडिंग एक्स्ट्रा बुक, सो आई एम सेंडिंग इट टू Ajay ji, so you can take that book from him and you can read that book.
Yeah, perfect. Yeah.
Because when this light has been kindled, don't let it go down. Because
yes, I mean, we live in the US and then
forget.
Yes, yeah. See, we live in the US and then it is really hard because I'm in down south and nobody does any acupressure. It's all like very Greek and Latin for people here. They don't easily get into these things. But luckily, we have a group where I live, and me and another person, we started it, and it's really going good. But there people still don't have that kind of awareness. So we're doing it for free, and then our house, we just we don't have any open door policy. Anybody can come in and then, we treat because of the COVID and other things. We don't have to go to workplace at work. So we're doing everything together. So books are the things that are really hard for us to get.
So you have a very nice mentor, Ajay ji. So you can talk to him and you can take his advice.
Yeah. I mean, I've been reaching out. I mean, he's been helping us with everything, and I take classes from him. So yeah, we're doing whatever little we can do.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, but I loved your talk. It was really very beautiful.
Thank you so much.
See Professor through you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Anyone else who wants to ask any question? I think, yeah.
I think, everybody is satisfied.
Yes. Thank you. Yes, a very nice session, very well said. Triogen is going to be with us. Smile is going to be with us, and your thoughts we will take along throughout our life. Thank you so much, Seema ji. Thank you everyone.
Again, just switch on your cameras and give a big smile. Let's take the screenshot. Everybody, please cameras on. Please cameras on. क्योंकि जिसमें कैमरा नहीं ऑन रहेगा वो स्क्रीनशॉट नहीं मिलेगा वो स्क्रीन का. So I'll take a screenshot. Pushpa ji, Veena ji, and Veena ji. Yes. Ready, smile, big, and yes. Page number 1 is done. 2 में बहुत बड़ा है, but okay. 3 में सब बंद. Okay. So 2 pages I've taken. One sec. मुझे write करने दीजिए पहले. मुझे चला रहेगा. Yeah. 1 is done. Oh, 1 sec. कुछ गड़बड़ी हो गया. मेरा ही बंद हो गया. Okay, so I will share this screenshot with Deepak ji, and maybe he can share with everybody.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Thank you everyone. Thank you so much. Wonderful session. Thank you so much. Smile night, smile bye.
Good night.
Good night. Good night.
Good night.